Have you ever wondered how to start a retirement fund in your 20s? It's a question that might seem far-fetched at first, but the reality is, the sooner you start saving for retirement, the more comfortable your future could be. Retirement funds are a type of savings or investment plan designed to provide financial security once you've hung up your working boots. They're like a nest egg growing over time to ensure you have the resources to live out your golden years with ease. One of the key factors that make retirement funds so powerful is compound interest. Think of compound interest as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. The earlier you start rolling that snowball, the bigger it becomes. And it's not just about the money, it's about peace of mind, knowing that you're financially prepared for the future. So, you might be wondering, where do I start? Let's delve into the first step. Knowing your financial situation stands as the first step towards setting up a retirement fund. A clear understanding of your income, expenses, and savings is pivotal. Imagine your finances as a puzzle. Your income is the border that frames the puzzle. Your expenses are the pieces that fill it in, and your savings? They are the picture that emerges once the puzzle is complete. In this financial puzzle, budgeting plays a crucial role. It's akin to having a map that guides you in placing each piece correctly. Living within your means is not about depriving yourself of the finer things in life. Rather, it's about making informed decisions that ensure financial stability and future security. Just as you wouldn't start a journey without knowing your destination, you shouldn't begin your retirement planning without understanding your finances. It's all about balance and making the right choices today for a secure tomorrow. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can move on to the next step, deciding how much you need to save. Deciding how much to save for retirement can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The key lies in considering a few essential factors. Imagine the lifestyle you'd like to lead in your golden years. Do you see yourself traveling the world? Or perhaps you fancy a quiet, comfortable life in a countryside cottage. This vision will help you gauge your future expenses. Then think about your projected expenses. These include living costs, healthcare, hobbies, and potential emergencies. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income. Next, consider your retirement age. The earlier you plan to retire, the more you should save. Remember, the goal is not to amass a fortune overnight, but to steadily build a nest egg over time. So, set a realistic monthly saving goal. It could be as simple as saving 10% of your income every month. With your saving goal in place, the next step is to choose where to invest your money. The world of retirement funds can be overwhelming, but understanding your options makes the process manageable. Let's dive into the different types of retirement funds. First up, we have the 401k plan. This is a popular choice, and for good reason. It allows you to contribute a good chunk of your pre-tax salary, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. However, do remember that you'll pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. Next, there's the individual retirement account, or IRA. This offers more investment options than a 401k, but the contribution limit is lower. Then we have the Roth IRA, a unique beast. Unlike the other two, you contribute after-tax dollars, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Each type has its pros and cons, so it's crucial to diversify your retirement savings. This way you can enjoy the benefits of each type and buffer against their downsides. Once you've chosen the right retirement fund, it's time to make regular contributions. Consistency is key when it comes to building your retirement fund. It's not just about how much you start with, but how regularly you contribute. Even the smallest of amounts can compound over time to create a substantial nest egg. Think of it like a garden. Each contribution is a seed, and with time, patience, and consistent watering, or in this case, contributing, those seeds will grow into a lush, fruitful garden. That garden is your retirement fund. As your income grows, consider increasing your contributions. It's a simple and effective way to accelerate the growth of your fund. But remember, a successful retirement plan isn't a set-it-and-forget-it deal. It requires regular reviews and adjustments. Financial climates change, as do personal circumstances. It's important to ensure your plan remains aligned with your goals. Remember, starting a retirement fund in your 20s is a step towards a secure and comfortable future. It's never too early to plan for retirement, and